Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterHEVsales.com, presenting you the Vitacci or Apollo, supplied by both companies, Apollo and Vitacci, the Jeep Replica GR2. I'm going to place a link below with specifications in a description of this awesome, fun novelty ride. It's a 125cc, 3-speed, semi-automatic. You can call it a go-kart, off-road go-kart. It is super cool, really good looking. It comes in various colors. This is the army green color. It has nice custom wheels all the way around it. Nice aggressive tread pattern. This is a really cool ride. If you guys are looking for a novelty ride, it's a 125cc, 3-speed semi-automatic with reverse. Has a lot of cool features which we're going to point out today. Has a solid rear axle. I'm going to take a closer look below here. Chain driven, disc brakes all the way around, you guys. Super sturdy looking replica Jeep. Definitely a cool ride if you guys are looking for something as a novelty for your business or just for leisure, for pleasure. This would be a perfect match for the Columbus Day Parade, 4th of July Parade, or a Veterans Day Parade. Be great to ride this down. Definitely a nice looking replica 125cc 4-stroke with electric start. Has a sturdy front bumper here, all metal, very sturdy frame. We do have dampeners all the way around. As you can see, the dampeners for the shocks, sturdy control arms, 125cc motor that's generally used in most of all the ATVs. We'll get a closer look here of the chassis area. Once again, here you see the disc brake here. Below, electric start. Has a standard muffler on there. Aggressive tread pattern on it. Nice looking adjustable seats here in the front. You have independent seats here. Nice seat belts for the lap seat belts. Adjustable here on both ends here, so they do move back and forth. All right, so we got Adam here today. Now, he's going to give this puppy a ride a little bit later here, but we're going to show you the working features. So we'll start with the panel here.
Okay, key switch that turns everything on. Right now it's in neutral. All right, so basically turn it on, switch the key, and it fires right up. And then you got your e-brake feature, which is actually nice because right now it'll roll.
Right there's the e-brake.
Yeah.
Very nicely and conveniently placed.
Yeah, blinkers as well by pulling up and pushing down. So there's the feature for it there. And this is for your headlights. It's all the way on.
So all the lights on this little Jeep here work. They're actually all functional.
Yeah.
As we can see right here, we got the brake light on. Over here, it looks like it has the blinker lights up here, brake light, as well as a backup light. Very cool. This wheel in the back is included, as well as this featured jerry can, extra gas tank here. That's included as well. And it actually is has a cap on it, and we're looking inside, and it looks like it can actually place some liquid in there. So depends what you want to place in there. This could be fun. All right, go ahead with your.
And then you have a manual choke right here. Right now it's shut off since it's already warmed up. So you just push it down and turn it back up. All right, and this is just your little odometer gauge speedo.
Okay, and then this one right here is your indicator showing you. Right now it's in neutral, so you have three speeds, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3 semi-automatic, and then a reverse position. And what's this here?
The horn.
Nice, very nice. This is your shifter right here. On this end, you got your brake pedal and your gas here. And let's show our subscribers how do you adjust the seats here.
So to adjust the seats, pull up, push forward, pull up, push forward.
All right, so this really moves forward. So definitely could fit a smaller rider in here as well. Very nice, very nice. Let's turn on all the headlights. You guys can see the lights, the blinkers working on it. I'm sure in some states, if you throw a windshield wiper on here, you can actually get it permanent for the road. Really cool looking. It's the GR2, you guys. I'm going to place a link below with a full description. Nice custom wheels. Let's flip the hood up. There's a couple of latches over here. Now you have a gas tank here. This gas tank looks identical to the TaoTao Jeep Auto.
Yes.
Yeah, and it looks like it's just over a gallon. We always recommend using 91, 92 gasoline on it here. You can take a closer look here of your control arms. Pretty standard control arms, very sturdy. Again, this is a fun ride, you guys. It's a great novelty ride. Definitely something you can use for your business. Place some graphics on it. Take it out for any sort of event. Definitely an eye catcher on here. So he latched down the hood. Again, does this hood move at all, or is it all stationary?
This windshield stationary, this hood moves up.
Okay, so the hood moves up all the way to the top. And again, it comes as you see it, you guys. There are no extra fees. Now again, if we ship these out of state, and right now they are sold out, they do come crated box. It does take a few hours to set these up, and instructions are not included. So always keep that in mind. Always call, you guys from out of state, always call before ordering anything right now, because inventory is very, very fluid. This particular one, we do also have an orange one that is available here at our local storefront. So we're gonna give this a ride. Nice side view mirrors over here. This is like a hard plastic, so it's quite resilient. Actually, it does move here, so it's resilient. All right, so Adam, again, he's 6'4", you guys. He has the seat pushed back, all the way back. He's 240 pounds. He's gonna give this thing an easy ride. It's a 125 semi-automatic. I would say this has a top speed of about 25, 30. Again, it's more for fun, you guys. Definitely you can use it for off-roading. But I would say if you push it any higher at top speeds, it could become not stable. You can add him 6'4", 240 pounds. He's gonna spin around, pop a U-turn, come towards me. Again, it has 3 speeds. You could actually start this in second gear, depending on the weight of it. The first gear is very low. Second gear, the third gear is a long throw to it. So third gear actually has a higher top end. This you can start off in first. First is very low and torquey, and then the second gear is right about the mid-range. And Adam, he started off in, did you start off in first or second? Second gear. So that gives you guys an idea how much torque it has in second gear. And he's 240 pounds, 6'4". Again, this is the Vitacci or Apollo. It's supplied by both companies. GR2 Jeep Replica 125cc, 3-speed, semi-automatic with reverse. Super cool. Great value in this go-kart, you guys. So I'll leave a link below for more specifications. If you guys want some fun, looking for some attention-grabbing machine, this would be it. If you guys need some parts, you'll find us at scooterATVparts.com. And if you guys on Instagram, you'll find us on Instagram at Scooter ATV Sales. Hope all is well, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.